Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Serious question, when is the last time that you had a chocolate martini? When is the last time that you treated yourself to some chocolate goodness? Well, it has been a while since I had a chocolate martini, and recently I had one and was like, why have I not had more of this in my life lately? So I wanted to make for you a Godiva chocolate martini, and it all starts with rimming your glass with some chocolate. This is such a fun drink idea, even if, you know, it's just something that you want to do after dinner or if it's just something you want to sip on with your girlfriends, but it is such a yummy treat. So we got our glass rimmed with chocolate, and I've got my shaker here, and I'm just going to add 4 ounces of my favorite things. 4 ounces of Titos. You can use any kind of vodka that you prefer, but I love Titos. So 4 ounces of Titos. 4 ounces of Bailey's. Yum. Bailey's is so good with your coffee too. 2. And 3, the super extra Godiva chocolate liqueur. 4 ounces of that as well. It smells like heaven up in here. Lord. Alright, so we're going to add some ice to our shaker. But before I start shaking, I also want to add some more chocolate to my glass. I've got some Hershey's 45 calorie light, which is hilarious when I have all of this other calorie and goodness. I'm going to cut a few corners here. Chocolate in the bottom. Yum. All right. Now it is time to get our chocolate party started. Just a few shakes to get it super chilled. So good when it's cold like this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, bomb. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna save a little of this for my husband, but right now, this is all mine. So rich, so chocolatey, so warm in your belly. Oh, this is so good. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, you totally should. It's totally free, and I love making videos for you guys and getting to know you. So thank you guys again so much for taking the time to watch this video. Take care, and we'll talk soon.